Okay, in this video, I want to show you guys real quick how to reset your oil life in your Ford truck. Go ahead and use the controls here on the steering wheel. Ignore the tire pressure one. I'll get to that one later. So right now I'm just in an app. I go over to the left. So I hit left on that keypad. We want to go down to settings. So hit right, go into settings, down to vehicle, then hit right. And then we want to go all the way down to oil life reset. So hit right, and then you can choose your percentage there. If you just got your oil change, go ahead and hit 100%. So I'm going to hit that, and then you can choose the other ones. Mine's been a little bit, so I went ahead and go with 90%. All you do is hit the check mark and you're good to go. Here we can go back. If you want to change it, we can go to 100%. It's that easy. Make sure to like the video if this helps you out. Thanks.